Hello and welcome back to Lady Jane Beauty channel. Today I'll be making a 500 gram minty aloe soap with a super fat at 8%. The oils I'll be using today is coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil which is macerated with mint leaves, castor oil and unrefined shea butter. So here I've combined all the oils together to melt in one pot. And just a quick note talking about lye safety when making traditional soap using sodium hydroxide, which is what I'll be using today. Please make sure that you've got the right equipment to do that. If you're using plastic, please use PP5 plastic, stainless steel and silicone. See, I have gloves, long sleeves, and I've also got my plastic apron on. And I'll have a mask on as well, and I'll also have a visor over my face to protect my face in case of any splashes and also the fumes as well. So here is my lye all measured, and you see I've got my aloe vera gel which it was frozen, so I'm going to use the lye and the aloe vera gel to melt that down. So here just combined the sodium hydroxide with the aloe vera gel together to get that melted. Now this is aloe vera gel that I actually harvested from the plant. So I just cut a fresh aloe vera leaf open, took out the lovely gel inside, which I then apportioned into little plastic freezer bags, and then I let that freeze. So here just checking the temperature to see what it is, and it's melting. So you can see it's 24 degrees, which is good. Let that continue to melt using the lye, which generates heat when combined with liquid. So as you can see, the oils are continuing to melt here whilst I let my lye sit and let that continue to do its magic. And here are the few things that I'll be adding to my soap. Sodium lactate to help harden the bar. I've got my fragrance there, and this is spirulina powder with kaolin clay. So that will add a nice feel to the soap and a texture to it. So once my oils are melted, I check the temperature, which is roughly about 78 degrees Celsius, which is good. So I didn't overheat any of my oils. And just checking the lye as well to see what temperature it is at. So that's gone down to about 23 degrees. Right, so I'm going to transfer my oils into my jug, and I'm going to add my powders to the oil and let that mix together. It will all get nicely emulsified when I blend it. Just doing a quick temperature check of my oils, and that's 68 degrees. And so the lye there has continued to dissolve, which I'll be straining into my oils there. And then I'm going to use my stick blender just to emulsify everything. I've just added the lye solution into the oils there, which is to bring out a lovely green color. So the fibers from the aloe vera gel have remained on the sieve. And then I shall now be using my stick blender to emulsify everything. And then after that, I'll be adding my fragrance to the mix. I always like to first mix up my, try and emulsify my lye and oils together using my spatula, just to make sure it's nicely and evenly mixed before I stick blend. Final temperature check before I pour them into the individual molds. I've got about 6. So it's lovely green color, and we've got a nice medium trace, still making it pourable. As you can see, it's all now in the individual molds, and I'm going to spray them with some isopropyl alcohol just to make sure and try and prevent some soda ash from forming. And I'm going to let these cure for a couple of weeks. Okay, this is 2 weeks later. I've unmolded. Look at that beautiful, lovely green color. Absolutely smells divine. Yes, so it's going to cure now for the next 6 to 8 weeks. Got a little bit of soda ash there at the bottom, but that's okay. Now we're going to let the soap cure for 2 weeks for the lather test coming up next. And enjoy watching the lather test. Let's talk about the aloe vera that I added in the soap. As you know, aloe vera is quite soothing, hydrating on the skin. So here, using it as soap makes the soap quite gentle on the skin, and which is really good and kind of neat to keep your skin lovely and hydrated. And another reason for using kaolin clay in soap is to make the soap feel quite silky, hence the creamy lather as well, quite gently cleansing. It's very good for dry skin. Quite like using clays and soaps. As I also used the colloidal oatmeal powder, that's very calming and soothing to the skin as well, making the soap really gentle, lovely to use, won't dry out your skin too much. So yes, quite like this minty aloe vera soap. Stay tuned for more soap videos that will be coming soon, but enjoy watching. Thank you.